Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Welcome back to the channel. So, somewhere a bit different today, dressed a bit different, looking a bit different. And what are we on with? Well, we're having a go at trialling. Now, I've been, what, 3 weeks now? 3 months. 3 months been riding bikes. This is the second one. So, been riding trials now for 3 months. As you know, I won a competition, Inch Perfect Trials, and I fancied this for years. So, hey, bought myself a trials bike, and we're gonna have a go. So this is the story up to and onwards of up to probably competition. Not hard competition, you know. Tony Bo, you'd be alright at the moment, don't you worry. So yeah, stick around, stay tuned. go YouTubers. What do you think of that? Bit of practice, hellfire. Talk about a workout. I'm going to start getting on my push bike again. Bit of practicing on a trials bike. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, I'm telling you, you won't have a go at it. Give it a thumbs down, whichever. It all helps with YouTube algorithms. Any comments, anything you'd like to say? I'm in the northwest, as you know, somewhere around about Ulverston. Any trials riders out there fancy showing me how to do it? Hopefully going to join a club soon. You probably can see that, can't you? Hopefully you might not be able to see it now. Let's just have a look. My big dead cat on the top. Yeah. Anybody, you know, hopefully going to join Bootle Club and start doing a bit of trialing. With a bit of luck. Am I good enough? You tell me, comment down below. Thanks very much for watching. All you 300 and some odd subscribers down there, if you're not subscribed, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. Every time I upload a video, you will get a notification. Until next time, keep safe, and we'll see you soon.